What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and well, beside me I've got the brand new Verus Engineering hood scoop block off plate. Now before the comments just start pouring in, obviously don't run this if you have a top mount intercooler. This is for people who strictly converted to a front mount or some other form of charged cooling, right? And so with that said, isn't it good to have air flowing through your engine bay, especially with a turbo? There's a lot of heat there. Yes, 100%. So if you just install this, you could probably expect engine bay temperatures to come up, your intake air temperatures to come up, which isn't inherently a bad thing unless you need those cooler temperatures. So if this is a show car, you can go ahead and install this. You're gonna be just fine. If this is an actual track car, you're going to want to supplement this with some sort of hood ducting, right? Vents, essentially, to let air escape out of the engine bay, dropping the engine bay pressures and temperatures, and therefore getting better aerodynamics. So that's all pretty simple. The next thing, of course, is just why would you want, this? Like, why wouldn't you just delete the entire hood scoop altogether? Well, it's expensive, right? This is a pretty simple piece for them to make, and it's relatively inexpensive and utilizes all your, factory mounting points, comes with all the hardware, comes with a sweet freaking sticker, and a little, card. Thank you for purchasing a Verus Engineering product. I wanted to show you guys how to install this on our 15 Plus WRX, and yes, it does have a top mount. Let's clear the air. I'm not gonna drive with it. I just wanna show you guys how to install it because I'm itching for something to do, and this seems like a really cool little product. Let's get started. All right, so first steps, obviously, popping the hood and lifting it up. Then, of course, we're gonna see the underside of the hood here, and what we need to remove is, of course, this fabric hood liner, and then we'll actually go ahead and remove the shroud as well as the scoop itself. So first we're just gonna pop all these plastic clips off. So we're all loose there and there. We've got just a few small 8mm bolts or screws, and then a few more plastic clips. Let's just go ahead and zip those all out. All right, so now we've got the shroud off, we can work on getting the scoop off. Of course, we've got a few 8mm nuts and then this kind of squeeze type clip. So first, go ahead and remove the nuts. And then we'll remove this clip. So on this clip, there are two little prongs on the outside here. If you get your little screwdriver, click it up in and kind of hold it. And then click the other one in. Just like that. Now we can work on getting the scoop off, and you'll see kind of has a slight bulge here in the middle. Just simply lift up, slide out. Just be careful not to scratch the paint. Now, let's go set this on the bench. We'll grab the included hardware, which of course is 2 push clips, and we'll just go ahead and slide those onto the bottom of the scoop there. Snap in. Just like so. And now we're ready to install this. Okay, so now we've got our scoop delete. And of course, last step is just to simply put the delete on. We won't be securing it down or anything like that. We're just going to slide it over, get it into place. Make sure everything's out of the way. So we'll kind of have to push a little bit more. Everything's a little bit tighter, which is actually a good thing. Got it in. Install our 2 little Allen screws here. These just tighten up using a 2.5 millimeter Allen key here. And now we can just go ahead and basically bolt everything back together the same way we removed it. And I just remember, none of these nuts or bolts are, super tight. I mean, I don't know the exact actual torque specs, but it's probably gonna be a few, 10, 15 inch-pounds at most. But just go ahead and tighten everything down and then get your liner back on, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right guys, and that's it. Install's done. Honestly, it'll probably be about 30 minutes with basic hand tools. And I was thinking black is definitely not gonna be the proper car to show off this product on, but it actually looks really cool on there. If you had like a red or a World Rally Blue or a white car, it would look phenomenal. Just a way to break up that constant color and add a bit of contrast to the front end. Especially for you track guys, this is a fully functional part. You've got a front mount, you've got other aero mods. This could just be that next step. It's inexpensive, super quick to install, and actually really, even if you're just going to shows and you just want something a little bit different, it's an awesome product. But if you guys are looking for a hood scoop delete for your 2015 plus WRX or STI, definitely click the link below, and also check out, see what else Verus has for your car, because they have a lot of really cool and functional products. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for you today. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you guys like the video, drop a comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next. We'll see you guys on the next one.